Hey, this is Anthony. It's September the 16th, 2020. Just giving you an update today on the Mustang. Some of the parts have started coming in for the Mustang. The engine machine shop still has a block. It is going to have to be bored 20 over. The heads aren't any good. I did have to purchase a set of used heads from a salvage yard. They should be here Friday, and then I'll carry down those heads on Friday to have them rework those heads, and hopefully they said within a week they can work the heads and finish the block. They did bore the block out to 18 thousandths and stopped. They want the Seal Pro pistons to match the bore of the piston, which is really good. It makes for a really good build that way. So they're doing it correctly. So I don't mind the waiting part. So there's a lot of parts that hadn't came in yet. The water pump, ignition coils, Comp 2 cams. I did buy a stage 4 clutch. I did buy oversized injectors. Trying to remember all the things I did buy. So we're going to get into the box here. The boxes of the parts that have came in. Some of them are already here, but I figure everybody's seen injectors, so no big deal. So just kind of give you an update on what's going on. So let's get over here. I'm trying to do this in the sun, in the sunlight. This makes the third time I've done this, and now I know why movies cost so much. Either the actors are not, actors don't know their lines, or everything has to do with lighting, casting. So here, we'll get into this, and appreciate you stopping by. Alright, I can't figure out how to turn it around. So I guess we're just gonna have to hope I point it in the right direction, y'all. So here it is. It is a Engine Tech rebuild kit. They wanted about $300 from the local auto parts store here, more than this kit. It is good quality stuff, material. I didn't feel like their material would be worth $300 more. That's quite a bit of money. So let's get into this and see what's in here. So first of all, you have the timing set, TS2220. Inside that set is 2 sprockets, 4 guides, chains, and tensioners. Put them over here to the side. Here is the engine gasket set, an F281 HSM. Has head gasket, intake, exhaust, EGR, throttle body manifold, valve cover left, valve cover right, water outlet, air bypass, exhaust pipe, fuel injector, O-rings, timing cover center, left and right, valve cover grommets, and 1 plenum. It is for a 281 single overhead X engine. That's what we have. And the second box is an F28 1CS, which has an O-ring, oil pan, oil filter adapter, oil pan drain plug, oil filter adapter O-ring, oil pump inlet tube, and 1 water pump O-ring. Also in this box is the oil pump, an EPK114, brand new in the box. We have the rods rod bearings, a BB317JSTD. They are siliconed, so that helps out. Here is the ring set, an S90228-.50. They are mollies, by the way. And we have a BC393JSTD. These are the standard main bearings with the shims for the end plate. Let's see what we got in here. Here are the pistons. Pistons are 20 over, of course, to match the bore, hopefully. If I ever get them out of the package. Floating pins, of course, they are siliconed really well. Let's see if I can get them turned around here. So, and the markings on the pistons are, if I can see, get them around here, P5013 0.502607 with the arrow pointed toward the front of the engine. So that's what's in the box today. We got other parts coming as they slowly dwindle in. I'll give you an update on them. We're still working on the old 79 Ford 4-wheel drive, as you can tell. We're still working on it. Final or sanding will be done today with 320. Prep sanding. Tomorrow I'll spray the 2K filler primer. I'll give it a day to dry, and then Friday we will do final sand on that. Saturday we'll do cleanup. Sunday we'll do tape up. Monday I will spray inside of the cab, inside the door frames, inside of the doors, inside the fenders, and we'll be putting those back on as we try and get this thing out of this tent and trying to get this moving forward a little bit. It's been several years in the process. I'm sorry for the quality of light. It seems like the sun keeps going in and going out, so kind of hard to keep up with it. So we are still planning on working on the Mustang. It's like I said before, it's a 1970 Mach 1. It did come out of Louisiana. It ain't but a 3-owner car, believe it or not. The gentleman who had it for 20 years. He wanted to restore it, but it wound up, he passed away before that could happen. So I plan on sending pictures to his daughter when it's done and kind of show her that it didn't go to waste and his dream kind of got finished. We're building a 351 Windsor. We're boring it 40 over. We do have a 4.2 rod and a stroker crank, which will stroke it to a 409. We have AFR heads, Elderbrock intake, roller cam, rockers, la-di-da-da-da. It same old. Sounds cool, but proof is in the pudding, as the old people say. You can build all you want to, but if it won't run, it won't run. So, but we're gonna keep pushing forward. Here's a picture of the chickens. Everybody needs chickens because everybody needs eggs. So So I thank you for stopping by today. I don't know if it'll ever make it to YouTube. It might not. I just wanted to document the vehicle, document the work that I'm doing, and kind of, kind of see that, hey, do I have a photogenic face or not? Do I have a YouTube 100K subscriber face? I don't know. We'll find out. So, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, leave a message, comment. If you have to leave a negative comment, I understand. We're not all perfect. I'm not perfect. You're not perfect. I am a psychologist, and I know we can't please everybody. Man, you can't get everything to go properly. So all I ask is, if you leave a negative comment, leave a positive word or a positive sentence afterwards. That way you don't leave somebody else in a foul mood. So, it's just fair for everybody. And I thank you for stopping by, and I thank you for staying this long, and I hope you enjoyed it. And we thank you, and peace out.